everyone. So now that we're at the end of week 3, I feel like I've gotten in a pretty good routine as far as my classes and meetings and work. And I've been able to find time to catch up on some of those chores around the house, like laundry and vacuuming, that felt kind of like they were piling up. The worst part about this week is that I've had some abdominal pain from my endometriosis. For those who don't know, endometriosis is a really common condition affecting about 1 in 10 women that results in a lot of pelvic pain. I had surgery for it back in December, which has really helped. It means that instead of having 5 to 10 bad days, I'm only having 1 or 2. In general, during those bad days, I'm out and about and I kind of more have to grin and bear it. But this month it was really nice because I was remote, which meant that I could be in a really comfortable position in bed or have my heating pad and do just in general more self-care, which made the pain much easier to deal with.
I've been cooking a lot of vegetarian meals like this chickpea curry.
I think that's it for this week, so see you soon.